Is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I was a revenue officer. I worked at IRS for many years. I've been doing this for 5 decades, 5 decades. Today I want to talk to you about unlocking the IRS tax debt secrets. Many people contact me because I have a national practice. I was a revenue officer. We represent people in front of Internal Revenue Service. How do you unlock IRS tax debt secrets? There's one big secret that you need to know about. It's the biggest secret going. I could be here for 3, 4, 5 hours going off this and this and this, but there's one. Here's what you have to understand. If you owe tax debt and you cannot afford to pay it, and you want to be put in a hardship, a certain type of payment agreement, or you want to do an offer and compromise, you must understand the National Standard Program. You must know that. You're saying, what is the National Standard Program? It's the biggest secret you need to unlock. As a former agent, there's two things only that I am looking at. That's your assets. What are the values? Can you liquidate them? And then the National Standard Program. Why is this so important and what is it? Well, many years ago, the IRS adopted this National Standard Program. That is a standard that the Department of Labor set forth in all the counties in the United States, telling any federal agency what it costs to live. You can go ahead and Google IRS National Standard for housing and utilities. It'll land to a state page where your state is located, and then you can go ahead and hit your state and your county, and it'll tell you what the average people pay in your particular county. IRS uses these standards for food and clothing, for housing and utilities, for car payments, and car insurance. Those are the standards that IRS is going to go ahead and allow you to live on. If you're living over and above those standards, IRS is going to disallow those. You must know the standards. If you're going to negotiate, if you call us as former agents, we look at your financial statement, we see if we can polish it a little, make changes to get you a better result. If you're going to do this by yourself and you don't understand the National Standards Program, don't call. It'll be your worst day that you ever made a call financially in your life. Anyway, if you have a sizable debt, you need a former revenue officer to take a look at it. When you call our office, you talk to me. Anyway, my name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Thank you for listening. I appreciate it. Give me a subscription and a like if you would. I certainly thank you much.